Good morning, students. Today we are going to read infinitives. Okay, chapter 11. You know very well, infinitive is a non-finite verbs. Non-finite verb means that verb which cannot follow noun, tense and person in the sentence. It means it is free from the tense, subject and persons. Okay, you can take the example, I want to sing a song. Okay, here see, this is infinitive. Infinitive means the verb which take two form of the verb. Okay, so here is infinitive. This one is not applied according to subject. This is free from subject. Okay, but this one follow the subject. So that one which follow subject, that is called auxiliary verb, and that one which does not follow subject, person or tense, that is called infinitive. Understood? So infinitives are divided into two parts. First, to infinitive and second bare infinitive. Okay, so first we have to read to infinitive. Okay, it works like a noun, adjective and adverb. Okay, in example you can see, I like to swim. To swim is infinitive. Okay, and this is working just like a noun. Okay, just like a noun, but in second sentence we must have courage to fight. Here is infinitive. Okay, but it qualifies the adjective courage. Okay, understood? It simplify, qualify the word courage. Courage is an adjective. Okay, next one, infinitive like a noun. Okay, means as a subject you can use infinitive. Okay, here to stay here. Okay, this is in the form of subject. Okay, so here is infinitive like a noun. Next one is here object of a transitive verb. Transitive verb means that verb which has their own object. Okay, see here, I do not like to read. To read, this is what? A verb, and this qualify. It means it is the object of a transitive verb. So here this. Okay. Next one, direct object of a verb. Means direct object of a verb means here mother told me to study. Okay, this is object. Okay, so object of a verb is here to study. Understood? Next one, complement of a verb. So let one example. His greatest wish is to dance. To dance is an infinitive. Okay, so complement of a verb, it means if the infinitive come after the auxiliary verb, there will be complement of a verb. Next one, object of a verb. Okay, object of a preposition. Okay, means its work of object of a preposition. See example, he moved. Correct? The movie is about to start. About is a preposition. Okay, so it is infinitive. Okay, so object of a infinitive. This is object of infinitive. express purpose or cause. Okay, to express purpose or cause, he called to talk to his mother. Okay, here see this is infinitive. Okay, and this show the purpose. Okay, he called to talk to his mother. Here it is showing the purpose. Okay, it means in हिंदी infinitive जहां पर to लगा हो वो infinitive लगाता है. ठीक है, इस सेंटेंस में देखिए I like to swim. To swim क्या है हमारा, एक नाउन है. ठीक है, नाउन के रूप में है, जबकि यहाँ पे I must have courage ये हमारा एडजेक्टिव है, इसलिए एडजेक्टिव ऑफ ए वर्ब है. इन्फिनिटिव लाइक ए नाउन टू स्टे एक सब्जेक्ट के रूप में है. ठीक है, इसलिए ये सब्जेक्ट टू द वर्ब कहलाता है. ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब, इस सेंटेंस में देखिए टू रीड ये लाइक का ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसलिए ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब है. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए वर्ब है. मदर टोल्ड मी टू स्टे, टू स्टडी आपका इन्फिनिटिव है और ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट का इन्फिनिटिव है. ओके, कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए वर्ब, तो देखिए इसका जो एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट है क्या है, टू डांस. तो यहाँ पे ये इन्फिनिटिव है, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए प्रीपोजिशन, प्रीपोजिशन के बाद जो इन्फिनिटिव दिया है वो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए प्रीपोजिशन है. एंड एक्सप्रेस पर्पज और काज के लिए आपको दिखाना है, तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए कि ही कॉल्ड टू टॉक टू हिज मदर, यहाँ पे पर्पज शो कर रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस टाइप वे बाय विच यू कैन यूज और टू infinitive in the sentences. Okay, so let us move to next one, bare infinitive. Okay, see there, bare infinitive. Bare infinitive. See bare infinitive. Bare infinitive always use after modal auxiliary verb. Okay, like will, shall, could, should, can, may, might, must, need, etc. Okay, just in example you can take he will sing a song. Okay, this is bare infinitive. Okay, yeah, I shall sing a song, this is bare infinitive. Yeah, you should talk, bare infinitive. Okay, so this way by which you can use bare infinitive in the sentences. Understood? Next one, check there. If the sentence has here, see, if the sentence has here, see, feel, here, see, feel, watch, read, make, eat, watch, read, make, let, etc. If these type of word means sensory organs work has been given in the sentence where you will use bare infinitive. Okay, see there, in one sentence you can take he saw me cry, he saw me cry. Okay, here saw is bare infinitive. Okay, and here is also cry. It means he saw me to cry, so we will not write here, only we will write here cry. Okay, so this is where infinitive. Understood? Our next one is there. You can write in your copy as a participle. Okay, he saw me crying. You can write here. He saw me crying. Okay, he saw me crying. यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं ये जो पार्टिसिपल के रूप में मीन्स प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के रूप में आप लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। या तो ये लिखें या तो ये लिखें। दिस इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल। अंडरस्टूड? और नेक्स्ट वन यू कैन सी वेयर इंफिनिटिव यू कैन राइट इन द सेंटेंस। ओके, इफ द सेंटेंस बिगिंस, अंडरस्टूड, विथ had better, would rather, had better, would rather, okay, would rather, or then, must, okay, etc. Before that one you can use bare infinitive. Okay, see there, you had better idea to talk to me. Okay, so here is bare infinitive. Okay, so this way you can use infinitive as to infinitive and bare infinitive. Okay, understood? So try to read it and do the exercise.